Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, very nice day. Now, maybe not as explosive as what some people have grown used to, but just because a day wasn't absolutely explosive does not imply that it was a bad day. Don't get me wrong, it would be awesome if every single day price movements could just explode, but that's just not the reality of the matter. So today I would consider more of just a consolidation day, but I mean, to be fair, the day did start off very nicely. Nice surge out of the opening gates, but then after that, just basically went sideways the rest of the day. And I don't say that in a bearish sense again, because from the overarching standpoint, everything is still perfectly fine. The price is putting in those higher lows, and that is by far what matters most. So as far as just continuing to gauge and measure the health of the overall trend, continue to watch that purple line right there, which is the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And as the name implies, that line will move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to just continue to gauge the health of the movement. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the movement. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. You must visualize that. That is what is being represented. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, there has definitely been a kind of a battleground drawn here. Because right here, actually, I'm curious actually, the high of that was at 27.72. That high was at 27.75, and that high was at 27.69. So yeah, basically right there at, let's just call it 27.70-ish, is going to be a level now that has three separate occasions. Once, twice, and then the third time where the prices try to get up there and just hasn't been able to quite push up through it. Now, that doesn't mean it's impossible to break through that level. I'm just saying that you're going to have a bunch of people watching that resistance area, and that'll be by far public enemy number one moving forward. But let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward, as the overall trend is looking just fine. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover three keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.